Welcome to Wife's Cookbook, where sometimes we burn the rice. Tonight's dinner is going to be a balance of healthy and yet so yummy. So let's get into dinner. Yes, I'm still old school and I like to use actual physical potatoes and not the bag stuff. So we start off with some clean potatoes and start peeling the skins off. Now we start dicing them. It doesn't matter the size because you're gonna boil this until it's al dente. I allowed the zucchini and the squash to soak for about an hour so that the vinegar and water mixture can clean off the skin properly, and we'll start cutting them up. Let's get started with this vegetable seasoning. Add in some butter, some better than bouillon, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning or Sazon or any type of chicken seasoning you have. All the measurements are down below in the description bar. Once you mash the potatoes separately, you have another pan where you're boiling up some heavy cream, butter, better than bouillon, onion powder, and garlic powder. Again, all the measurements are down below. With the salmon seasoning, add in some onion powder, garlic powder, Goya seasoning, lime and cilantro. I didn't have lemon juice, so of course if you have lemons, definitely use that fresh and squeezed. And of course, my favorite part is to plate. Time to have dinner. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with us over at Wife Cook. Make sure you come back again and enjoy some beautiful, delicious, and healthy meals.